Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Poon, Human Resources Director of ATAL Engineering Group. Thank you for joining today's section on bridging the global gap to engineering a career without border. So let me start with a simple question. How many of you imagine your future career might take you overseas? Today, this is no longer a dream, and it is very real for engineering professionals. Engineering is one of the few professionals where your skills are highly transferable across borders. With global infrastructure development, digital transformation, and collaboration across markets, engineering professionals today can build careers that are truly international and creating impact beyond their home country. In the next 20 minutes, I will share how this is happening and, more important, how you can be part of it. So let me briefly introduce myself. Apart from my role as the Actual Director of ATAL Engineering Group, I'm also the Vice President of the Hong Kong People Management Association. In short, I call it Hong Kong PMA. Hong Kong PMA is one of the supporting organizations of this event. It is a non-profit, voluntary professional body for human resources professional in Hong Kong. It aims to advance effective HR management, promoting harmonious employer-employee relationship, and as well as to exchange idea and best practice. The association brings together the HR professionals from a wide range of knowledge and in a knowledge-based economy. Over the year, I have worked closely with engineering professionals across different countries and disciplines. From an HR perspective, I have seen firsthand how the profession is transforming, not only in skill, but also in career pathways. And how the engineer has evolved from technical specialists to project leaders and to the strategic contributor to the organizations. So it gives me a unique viewpoint, not just on the short term, but also on the long-term career development. Let me walk through you what we will cover today. We will explore the opportunity in Hong Kong's engineering sector and how we see the emerging demand and key growth drivers across industries, and also the new engineering landscape in the technology era, digital transformation, smart technologies, and innovation trends, global career expansion for engineering talents, how technology is transforming engineering about digital transformation and smart technology and innovation trends, and how companies like ATAL support this journey, and what are our innovation and business development initiatives. So my goal is simple, to help you realize that your career path is not limited, it is expandable. Let's start the big picture. Engineering demand is closely linked to national development strategies, such as the National 15 5-years plan. The key focus include the innovation and technology, as well as the new quality productive forces, and the strategic leveraging of China's technological strength, and also the integration of AI into the workforce. So these are not short-term goals. They are long-term national priorities. And what does this mean for engineers? It means your role is becoming more strategic. You are not just expanding projects, executing the projects, you are contributing to economic developments. And now let us zoom into Hong Kong. And Hong Kong as a city which offers very strong advantages for engineering professionals. We are seeing over 120 billions government investment in the infrastructure, and also more than 30,000 engineering roles expected, and also around 15% growth in tech-enabled engineering jobs. But beyond the numbers, what does this mean? This clearly reflects a strong and sustainable demand for engineering talents. And Hong Kong continues to be one of the most dynamic and opportunity-rich engineering market in Asia. For young engineer, as you, this can be a very strong starting platform. So the Hong Kong government initiatives are further strengthening these opportunities. Examples include the development of the Northern Metropolis and also the new industrialization, including aircraft recycling and new energy. And also the government invests $1 billion injection into the construction and innovation technologies, and also the development of AI and data science industries as well, and also the international hub for the high caliber candidates. And there is about 100,000 first-hand private residential for over the next 3 to 4 years, and also $100 million for building technology research institution. So what is important here is diversity, and all these initiatives will require a significant number of engineering professionals and across different disciplines. So the engineering roles are no longer limited to traditional construction. They are now extended to technology, sustainability, and innovation. And it is also becoming more diverse and future focused. So we are now in the age of smart engineering and smart technology. The technology like AI and automation, IoT, smart systems, and digital twins, cloud and edge computing. All these technology are reshaping how any engineer work. The convergence of all these new technologies is reshaping the professional, creating hybrid roles for combined traditional engineering and with the digital fluency. Engineers who master these intersection command premium opportunity globally. And the biggest challenge and change is that engineering is no longer purely technical, and it is now digital, data-driven, cross-disciplinary. For example, engineers now analyze data, work with IT professionals, and deliver smart solutions. Those who embrace these changes and challenge will gain a strong competitive advantages globally. So about the global career opportunity for the engineering talents. In Hong Kong, we provide a strong platform for global careers. Why? Because it offers the international business environments and the English as the working language. And we have also the world-class universities providing globally recognized professional qualifications. And also the Hong Kong immigration, the schemes like the top talents pass support the cross-border talents. So think of Hong Kong as a launch pad. A typical career journey may look like, so the people as you studying in Hong Kong and then gaining work experience and acquiring professional qualifications, and more importantly, having overseas exposure. So Hong Kong provides a complete ecosystem for engineers to grow and connect globally. So let me ask again. So what makes a successful engineer? What kind of skills are required? So I can say, especially when you are move up to the career ladder in the engineering discipline, it is not just talking about technical skills, but also the people skill, soft skill, leadership. And what the employers today look for candidate with definitely excellent communication skills, proactive customer service skills, and strong safety awareness to avoid industrial accidents, fatal accident, etc. And also to poise for a transformation in mindset. And they're open to adopting new technologies and the uphold of highest standard of integrity, ethics, and accountability. So your career path is typically structured. So in Hong Kong, typically we can define from the entry level to the middle level, management and senior leadership. So in the entry level, typically in Hong Kong, the engineer for after graduation, they will join their Hong Kong Industrial Association Scheme A training for 2 to 3 years, which is a well-recognized academic qualification. And after the training in the company, they will become a professional engineer. And then they move up to the career ladder. Uh, but what determines their growth? It includes their experience gain, their performance, as well as on their continuous learning attitude. So there is no shortcut, but the path is well defined for you. So unlocking career growth. So Hong Kong offers unique advantages. So the Hong Kong is the gateway to Chinese mainland and also the Greater Bay Area. And we have the proven international experience and global recognition, accelerate career growth in a dynamic environment. So this combination accelerates learning and exposure. So go to here. Let me now introduce ATAL Engineering Group. So ATAL Engineering Group is a leading multidisciplinary electrical and mechanical engineering and technology service provider. So we deliver integrated solutions across the full life cycle of the infrastructure and building developments. And our group covers four core business sectors and comprising six business lines, providing comprehensive end-to-end engineering solutions. So we operate across the building services, which including the building service contracting and maintenance, infrastructure and healthcare engineering, like the hospital projects, and also the data center infrastructure. So, and secondly, about the environmental engineering. So also we have the information technology and building technology, and also the lift and escalators. So all this business will bring value to enhance the energy efficiency, reliability, and operation efficiency, and support the very complex and large-scale developments, such as the airport, hospitals, and Grade A commercial buildings. So we transform with high performance, smart and sustainable assets. So especially for the environmental engineering, we have the water and wastewater treatment systems and the sludge treatment and environmental infrastructure, sustainable engineering and environmental technology bring to our clients. And we also add value to the climate resilient and environmental protection. So we deliver innovation, patent-based solution for the complex environmental issues. For the information, communication, and building technology business, we integrate digital technology into engineering solution to support the smart cities and smart buildings. So our key capability includes the smart building system and automation, and such as the data analytic, AI-driven platform, and energy management. So we use also the digital twins, BIM, and smart infrastructure. So we build engineering and technology, creating intelligent ecosystem for the society as a whole. And also, we have nearly 50 years of legacy and of trust partnership in an engineering industry. So we are leader in the E&M engineering solution and ICT industry services. We have sustainable growth with high value contracts in hand, and we commit to create values for the community while driving the technological innovation. So we are also the global pioneer with 61 international patents. This reflects how engineering today is integrated and innovation driven. So here is our footprint across different countries in the globe. So ATAL, with headquarters located in Hong Kong, and we operate across Asia, Europe, and Americas. This reinforces our key messages. Engineering a career without borders. So engineers are no longer confined to a single geography. They can work across borders and culture, as well as different markets. So let me share a practical example. ATAL Tower. So ATAL Tower is our headquarter building in Hong Kong. So it integrates AI-enabled technologies and smart infrastructure. The smart workplace with energy efficient design, and we use also integrate workplace innovation methodologies and sustainable features. So all kind of these features are under one roof. It also achieved the final platinum platform under BEAM Plus New Buildings, one of the top green certifications. This project shows how engineering brings together technology, sustainability, and experience. So we showcase all our expertise of our ATAL engineering group in this building. So about our strength, so we definitely include the innovation, multidisciplinary, and one-stop solutions to our clients. So we operate from the research and development stage, design and build and operate. And finally, we provide maintenance and services to our clients. So the engineering professionals can gain exposure across full project life cycles, from design to operations. Now, we aim to bring solution for the smart city and smart buildings. So we also contribute to the smart construction. So we integrate the digital technology into engineering solutions. So as what I mentioned in our previous slides, so we have the capability to do the smart building system and automation, the data analytic and AI solutions, all these, and energy management. So we build in all different kinds of technology, like the digital twins, BEAM, and smart infrastructure technology, and to enhance the energy efficiency, reliability, and operation performance. So hope that we can transform building into high performance, smart, and sustainable access to our clients. So looking ahead, what is our future engineer needs to be equipped with the key capability? So here in the engineering industry, we are talking about the AI, machine learning, data analytics, the digital twins, BEAM and MIMEP, which is a new concept, and also the innovative thinking. But the most important mindset is never stop learning. And engineering will keep evolving, and so must you. So for all the engineer, we hope that apart from you equipped with your technical skills, you need to learn far and very fast and evolving the technology in the future. And now our global professional team. So we are having 3,100 staff in all over the world, and we include all levels of the engineering staff, the BIM professional, and the IT professional as well. So engineering is now highly collaborative and multidisciplinary. You will look with engineer, IT professional, data analytic specialists. So we have all these different licenses to enable our capability to deal with the different needs of our clients. So success depends not only on the individual skills, but also on team across different expertise. To conclude, engineering today offers borderless opportunities and mobility and impact. But success required continuous learning, adaptability, and a global mindset. So engineering gives you the tools to build, innovate, and make a difference. So I encourage all of you think beyond the borders. And because your career can go much further than you imagine or expected. So dream breaker, because your career can truly be without borders. So I hope today's sharing can give you some inspiration on how to plan your own career journey. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you.